Okay.
Day 2.
We're back again. Hopefully today
I
don't die.
It's only 45 minutes to the waterfall and back. That's all we're gonna do here.
That's
We're
what they
at
said.
The...
That's what they said yesterday.
That's not what they said. They told us it would take 3.5 hours yesterday, and it took us less than 4 hours. So that wasn't bad.
That's fair.
But we're at the Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve. Hopefully we'll see some clouds. It's pretty clear today though, so I don't know if we're really gonna experience the cloud forest. But in any case, we're not walking the whole way. We're just gonna do waterfall and back.
Okay.
45 minutes, evidently.
Hopefully. Well, we've not seen the cloud yet, so don't know what's going on.
It's a clear day. There's
clear
no
day?
clouds.
Wow. Okay. Well. Look at nature. Wow. I bet you will not sell a land here for anybody.
No way.
My Igbo people will always come and overprice it. We'll buy $50,000. Oga, because you go sell them for me. Everything in this forest is like, like weird, like you're in the dreamland,
Yeah.
It's weird. Like look at everything. It's like weird, huh?
Yeah, it's like a fantasy world.
Just look at this tree.
It's like witches and giants would live
Yeah. It's like a place I would live here. I'm
warlocks.
I'm a giant though.
You are a giant.
Look at this place. Looks like a coven. A witchcraft coven. Very interesting.
My camera is really not doing it justice though. That's my problem.
So in my opinion, I feel like there's a lot of leaves here that we can use to cook soup, like good soup, right? And these people have not yet, tried to discover these things, which if they employ me, I would be a very good service for them to understand. Like this, you can use it for ekpang, put ekpang, the ekpang that we use to eat with soup. The Oron people of Kwaibom State knows what I'm talking about. Ekpang, like this leaf, I'm sure it can be used with water leaf to make soup. You put a lot of pepper. You know what I'm talking about. So, and several others, they've not really explored this land very well. And like they said, this is what kind of forest?
Primary.
Primary forest, meaning no tree has been cut down, shaped, trimmed, or anything. They just grow and have all these BABA. Look at all those things. See those things on the tree over there? Those are BABA. See those things? Those are BABA. They've not been touching the trees. So, yeah, show them. So yeah, like I said, that would be of service. So yeah, let me take you guys home. Honey, we're there.
Oh yeah?
Right here. Oh, you see we're there. Don't go this way, but this way. So
No.
this is the elevation.
Are you sure we should go this way? We're supposed to be on the El Camino trail.
El Camino?
Yeah, let's check the map. Let's check the map.
Okay. Let's check the map.
We are here. So we need to go to the left.
Okay, the left.
Oh yeah, this way.
I said it.
You didn't know it though. You
But
just
I said
guessed. You just guessed.
But I said it. That's what always happens. I know the way, but
You rarely know the way. What you do is you have confidence. You say confidently that we should go one way or the other.
My God.
But most of the time you're wrong.
I'm wrong.
But I guess it's my fault for following you though.
I'm wrong 20%. I agree. 20% I'm
You're
wrong.
wrong 80%, babe.
Oh my goodness.
okay.
It's not okay. Look. Look at the engraving on this tree. Magical. Nature feed me.
We are literally in the clouds. And it's amazing how dense this forest is. And how diverse it is too. Because we're so used to looking at monocultures of the same tree over and over again.
Right.
But looking at this is like, I can't even comprehend how many species I'm looking at. Wow. And to think that we're interconnected with all of it too is just amazing. Like it's giving us oxygen and we're giving it carbon dioxide. I could just melt into this and become it. Isn't that amazing? Stinks a little.
Yeah, it stinks a little.
Aw. He's like he wants to pursue it.
It's coming to you.
It's just minding its business. Hi, friendo. Hello.
It's like, leave me alone.
It's really awe-inspiring, but you can't see it on video. I think we're in the clouds, kind of.
Really?
Yeah, you see that fog around us?
Yeah, I do. See how cloudy it is. This looks like Afang. In my opinion, this is the brother to Afang. Look, guys, look. Look at the leaves. Is that not Afang? Ukazi leaf, like the Igbo people will call it. This is Afang. I will take it and go and eat in the house. That's a tama. Babe! See a tama. Honey, I swear. It's not. The rainforest or the cloud forest has a lot to offer. Yesterday was a rainforest.
Yeah, this is still the rainforest, but it's a type of rainforest.
Yeah. It has a lot to offer. Very cloudy. Always moving.
Always moving, always wet.
I want to show you guys something. They are mating. Look. That's one of them. Oh!
What?
Come on.
Why did you shout like that?
Because he wanted to bite me, honey. They're shooting out venoms. See the ass? See the venom? Shooting out venom from here, from the ass. So gentlemen, finally we are in the cloud forest. See where the cloud runs from. Right now the cloud is running from here. On our head everywhere is foggy. It's foggy over here. So this is us saying bye to our little cabin. Bye Monteverde.